here at Popo house. Popo, can you have a home tour with us? Wow, you actually see, Popo, you actually use Excel's Premium. You can put on different sizes and shift up and down on the organizing. So we have our Vincenzo. We have 172 mm of height. We have another one that is 126 mm of height and another one that is 88 mm of height. We have two different weight loads for 30 kg and 60 kg. Next up, we do have our extra Zionic, the lift down dish rack. And for lift down dish racks, we have actually the weight load up to 12 kg in total. So we have two sizes, 800 and 900 mm for you guys to choose from. If you are not tall enough, you can actually have this Azura system. Pull it down, just a simple with my two fingers and three grab the stuff that you actually need right here. So underneath the sink, we do have our Omano. This is actually a SUS 304 stainless steel, and if let's say there's any rust issue, we will actually do a one-to-one exchange for the homeowners with our preferred partners. So here is our Excel Korean concept pole system. Right here is our newest series called Chow Azari. So this stop button, you can actually stop it and place it back up. However, if let's say you are actually very busy with your hands, I will say, hello lift. Lift down. You can actually see it will actually lift down in your own convenience, and you can actually stop with it and lift up. There you go.
Next is Ecoply, the safest plywood in the market with ultra-low formaldehyde emissions at just 0.013 ppm. However, if an authorized laboratory detects formaldehyde emissions above 0.05 ppm in your home, Ecoply will reimburse 3 times. Also, if you are looking for quality, health and style, check out SG Interior for top quality renovations done right. Certified with Ecoply and an Excel preferred partner. You can check out their Instagram or visit their showroom at 15 Lorong 8 Toa Payoh.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.